Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. As you can tell, I'm officially back home in my normal filming spot, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a review of an interesting product I saw on social media and decided to purchase, and that is the Upright Go. So I'm sure many of you have also seen ads for it. It's like all over online right now, and pretty much what it is supposed to be a posture corrector. So after going through a year of school, I was pretty much studying all the time, always hunched over my notes or always working on a computer, and because of that I have a lot of back pain now that I notice, and I feel like my posture just isn't as good. I feel like a lot of us spend a lot of time on computers every day, or other students know like studying can take a really big toll on your back, and also I feel like a lot of us carry a lot of stress in our back as well. So this is the product right here. That is the actual device, and then it also comes with a charging cord. This is a mini USB. It also comes with a case to store the device in, and then it comes with extra adhesive pads and then a little tool to apply the adhesive and remove the old ones. So all of that costs $80, and it seems like it has pretty good reviews online actually. So when it says posture corrector, it's not talking like a brace. You're not going to get instant results from it. It's not something you're going to put on and it's going to make your posture good. That might sound like a good idea, but actually a brace like that does all of the work for your body. So it will hold your body in place and it will give you instant results, but over time it's actually weakening your muscles. So essentially that's actually making the problem worse. So what this does instead is you stick it onto your back with this little adhesive, and you have two modes. The first mode is the training mode. In that case, it actually vibrates every time you hunch over. So when it feels that your spine isn't straight, it will vibrate so that you are aware that you aren't standing up straight and you can correct your posture. The second mode option is called tracking, and basically you'll leave it on. It will not vibrate, but it will keep track of how many minutes you are spent slouching and how many minutes you on your own are remembering to stand up straight. So that way you can kind of track your progress over time and see how it compared to when you first started towards after a few months of using it. So the product goes along with an app, and I have the app downloaded already, and the very first step it says here is to set your posture. So I'm going to demonstrate how you do that. So the very first thing you have to do is simply stick this adhesive piece onto the product. Next, you're just going to stick the product onto your back and the center of your back on your spine, and I'm just applying a little bit of pressure here so that it sticks into place. Okay, so now that I have the product sticking onto my back, I'm gonna click the button Set Posture on my screen here. So you click it, it says stay upright. So you're basically standing straight up like this when you're doing it. And now it is on training mode. So here, I will show you. When I'm standing up straight right now, my little guy is green and he's also upright. But if I hunch, it hunches with me, and now it's vibrating on my back, so I know to stand up straight. So that way I can be aware of it, be conscious of it, and fix my posture. Okay, so that is my quick overview on how this product works. I myself have not tried it out for a few months yet to give it an honest review, but I plan on using it over the next 3 months over the summer, and maybe then I'll do an update of how I noticed it like fixed my posture or not. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have used the product or if you have any feedback on it, please leave a comment down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram. I'll leave my username right here along with the link down below. Also, one last thing is I do still have my spring giveaway open. So if you haven't entered yet, I'll be sure to leave a link to that down below as well. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye!